Hey, fourth grade. So by your request, I'm making a video for our science experiment for today. And we're going to be learning about how seeds grow and any adaptations that they might make if they don't have soil. So what you need to start with is some paper towels, a plastic bag, like a Ziploc bag like this one. And it can be, I don't have big ones. If we were together, we would use the big gallon ones. Sandwich bag is just fine. You need water, you need duct tape or tape that is okay to use on the wall. You need to ask. And then you need a Sharpie, mostly to either write your name if other people in your family are going to do this, or to write the seed types that you chose. And I'll show you that in a minute. And then you need seeds. So if we were together, we would use popcorn kernels or different kinds of dried beans that I would give you. I know not everyone has beans or popcorn kernels in their house. I don't have beans in my house, so I had to get a little creative. If you have any fruit like apples or pears, kiwis, I'm going to show you with kiwi seeds, tomatoes, any melons like cantaloupe, things like that, you can use the seeds and watch them grow. I don't know how it will be affected if the fruit was in the fridge. So we'll learn that with one of my apple seeds. And then popcorn kernels, I cut up a bag. I took a bag of popcorn and I cut it open and all the seeds are in there. The popcorn kernels are in there with the butter. Looking at it, not popped is pretty gross. So I took a handful of popcorn kernels out and I washed them off with soap and water and cleaned them up so they don't have any butter on them anymore, or less butter. So, which I don't know how those will turn out either. We're learning together. So you want to take your paper towel that you have and you want to get it wet. The trick is you want to get it all the way wet, but you don't want it soaking when you put it in your bag. So you're going to get it wet and then squeeze it out. So good job for the sink. So it should be like this. See, it's wet, but it's not dripping. Okay. And then you want to fold it up so that it fits inside of your bag. And I've taken my bag and I labeled them already. So this one says apple. So I cut up an apple for a snack and I took the seeds out. I only got 2 or 3 good healthy seeds. So we'll see, and the apple was also in the fridge, so we'll see if that works. But you put your bag inside, or you put your paper towel inside the bag, and then you want to lay your seeds inside so that they're on the paper towel. Good. On the paper towel, and you can see them. Okay, so we'll put that one to the side. And you can do it for as many seeds as you want. I'm just going to do 3 for you so that you can get an idea of what it'll look like. And then I'll show you where in my house I'm going to put them. I'm going to put them all in the same spot so that they're all together. And since I'm the only one in my house doing this, I don't need to write my name on it. But if you're doing this with a brother or sister or cousins, and put your name on it, and each of you can watch your seeds, see if they grow. So my popcorn kernels are going to go in here. I'll use 5. Seems like a good number. And then if you use more than, just a few, you want to make sure that they're spread out so that they have room. Okay, there's the popcorn. And then I cut up a kiwi, and kiwi seeds are really, really small. And this is the inside of the kiwi. So I just very carefully, and you might need help, I took my knife, and you could probably use a spoon or a fork, but I just scooped out some seeds from the inside of my kiwi and put them on my paper towel. Since they're already on the paper towel, I have a bowl of water that I'm going to dip it in so that the seeds don't fall off because they're so tiny. And then I'll try and spread them around. Squeeze the water. Okay. See if that works. So these ones I don't want to mess with too much, but put those inside the bag. And there you go. So that's how you do that. And then you want to put them, and I'll take my bags and my computer, and we'll go, and I'll show you where in my house. We're going to put them right here by my fireplace. I'm going to put them on the floor right here. So they just stay right there. And I don't use the fireplace in the springtime really. So we'll just leave them there and we'll see how they grow. So if you have any questions, let me know, but it's very simple, nothing too crazy. And you can use any kinds of seeds you want, and you can try it with all kinds of seeds. Just make sure you ask before and that you try not to waste too much food. We'll talk soon.